Let's find out about making things. Look at all the people making things. He's making an animal. He's making chairs. What's he making? Is it a chair? No, it isn't. It's a mushroom. Look, lots of mushrooms. They're made of wood. Can you see the bird? It's made of wood too. Wow, what's she making? It's a necklace. What's it made of? It's made of metal. Look, more. They are all made of metal. What's she making? Oh, books. There's a brown book and a blue book. What are they made of? Paper. They're made of paper. What's this man making? It's made of wood. Oh, look, chairs. Wow, what's she doing? She's making beautiful fabric. Look at this fabric. There are lots of colors. What's that? Can you see? It's wool. Black wool. There are lots of different colors of wool. What colors can you see? He's making the fabric with the wool. Wow! Look, jackets, hats, and a bag. What are they made of? Have you got anything made of wool? Have you got anything made of wood? Look at your book. What's it made of?